Robert F. Kennedy Jr. was appointed to head the Department of Health and Human Services during the Trump administration. This decision signals significant shifts in the regulations governing food products. Kennedy, recognized for his contributions to public health and environmental advocacy, is initiating reforms within the food industry. His primary goal is to address harmful food additives with the authority to review, regulate, or prohibit substances deemed potentially unsafe. Food additives such as preservatives, artificial dyes, and flavor enhancers might soon face review and potential bans. While some people think this could enhance health and safety, others are concerned it may negatively impact businesses and reduce the variety of food options available. Should these changes occur, food companies might need to develop new recipes, altering what consumers see on store shelves. Mountain Dew's bright yellow-green hue clearly indicates that it might not be the healthiest option. The drink contains artificial dyes and an ingredient known as brominated vegetable oil, or BVO. Some studies have suggested that BVO could potentially impact thyroid health and may even be toxic. As a result, it is banned in several other countries. Upcoming safety regulations introduced by RFK Jr. could lead to significant changes for Mountain Dew. To comply with these new standards, the drink may require a reformulated recipe. If it fails to meet the updated criteria, it could potentially be pulled from store shelves, which might disappoint its many loyal fans. The food dyes currently being phased out are: the Feingold Association suggests that the food dye Yellow 5 might reduce sperm count in men who consume it. This is an urban legend that we'll explore further in the next segment. Yellow 5 is present not only in beverages like Mountain Dew, but is also found in various medications, vitamins, and antacids. Yellow 5, also known as tartrazine, has been associated with several significant health concerns. It can trigger allergic reactions and potentially harm cells within the body. Additionally, this food dye is known to reduce zinc levels, which may influence children's behavior. Experts indicate that it could contribute to challenges such as difficulty focusing and impulsive actions, resembling symptoms of ADD. There was no scientific evidence supporting the urban legend Mountain Dew reduced sperm count, and it remained unclear why the myth specifically targeted this soda. The ingredient at the center of this rumor, tartrazine, is also present in other foods and beverages such as pickles, marshmallow peeps, and macaroni and cheese. Despite this, some individuals opted to consume less Mountain Dew due to concerns about potential impacts on their reproductive health. Rumors circulated that some individuals began using Mountain Dew as a form of birth control. Although the exact number of couples who relied on the soda for this purpose is unknown, the notion gained enough traction to attract significant attention. The Wall Street Journal published an article on the topic, and several city and university newspapers also covered the story. Additionally, Dear Abby addressed the issue, advising her readers not to depend on the soft drink to prevent pregnancy. In the European Union, food packages featuring artificial dyes like tartrazine, also known as Yellow 5, are required to have warning labels. In contrast, the United States does not mandate such warnings. Instead, Yellow 5 is simply listed among the ingredients on packaged foods. This labeling is intended to assist the small percentage of individuals, approximately 1 in 10,000, who might experience allergic reactions to this chemical. Yellow 5 is commonly used in combination with Blue 1 to produce green coloring and is present in a wide range of products. The FDA has established the acceptable daily intake for Yellow 5 at 5 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. GNT has discovered natural alternatives to Yellow 5 by utilizing ingredients such as carrots, pumpkins, algal keratin, and turmeric. These ingredients are used to produce their Xberry products, which consist of bright yellow, celestial yellow, yellow keratin, and mango yellow. Lycorid has developed alternatives to Yellow 5 and Yellow 6 with their Gold Hold and Stellar Yellow shades. These colors are derived from beta-carotene produced by a mold known as Blakesley trispora. These shades are particularly effective in products such as beverages, cheese, egg substitutes, and candy. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Coconut Mama on YouTube at youtube.com/thecoconutmama for more.